Hey everybody, Kristen here with Kennesaw State University iTeach to show you some tips and tricks for Flipgrid. Let's get started. Flipgrid not only provides opportunities for students to respond to prompts, but provides teachers with the ability to create with shorts. Let's talk tips and tricks for creating with Flipgrid shorts. First, navigate to your educator dashboard. Along the top, you will see the word Shorts. Click here to begin creating your short. Simply click to record a short. When creating shorts, don't forget about the power of using the Flipgrid filters. Use the magic ball to add camera filters like color or pixelation. Use the text feature to write out text directions or content as you record. Use the sticker feature to add fun emojis and stickers to your lessons. Use the pencil to draw or annotate. This is perfect for showing math equations or annotating an image or worksheet that you've uploaded. Use the whiteboard or blackboard feature to create a clear space for adding drawings, text, or images. You can still use all of these filters with the webcam as well. Use the image uploader to add a worksheet or image to support your lesson. Make sure you check your recording time and keep in mind the age of your students. Don't create shorts that are too long. So you finished recording your short and now it's time to share. Simply click the short that you want to share. Once opened, you will find the share link or QR code here. You may decide to download your video by clicking here. You can get the video embed code to place on a website or elsewhere here. Or you can share your short directly to Microsoft Teams, Google Classroom, or Remind. Shorts can be used in a variety of ways in your classroom. They can be used to flip your classroom with mini lessons, to provide remediation and review for struggling or absent students, to provide extension content for advanced students, to read books or stories aloud for younger learners, or as a video blog or reflective journal. Start flipping your classroom with Flipgrid Shorts.
Thanks for watching, and we hope this helps. For more videos like this, check out our YouTube channel or visit our website at iteach.kennesaw.edu.